How to remove background noise in CapCut PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove your background noises in CapCut PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, what you'll then need to do is you'll simply need to drag and drop your project. So you can start a project and then you can just bring it to your editing section. Now what you'll need to do is you actually need to just select this option. Select your video, and after you select a video, on the top right side you'll find your settings, adjustments and stuff. Head over to volume or audio. So tap on audio, and after you're on audio, make sure that you've selected this very clip, and there you'll see noise reduction. Tap on noise reduction, and that will basically remove your or simply reduce your background noises. Other than that, if you have a noise in the start, you can use the fade in option as well and the fade out option. So yeah, you can adjust the volume as well if you want to. And that's basically how you reduce your background noises in CapCut. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.